learn the Arabic basic self-introduction. Arabic is the language of the Royal Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is spoken in all Middle Eastern countries in the Arab world and is also spoken in the African nations. So let's start by learning the Arabic basic self-introduction. Marhaban, it means hi or hello. Marhaban, it means hi or hello. So let's pronounce it with me. Marhaban, it means hi or hello. Sabah al-khair, it means good morning. Sabah al-khair, it means good morning. Let's pronounce it with me. Sabah al-khair, it means good morning. Masa al-khair, it means good afternoon. Masa al-khair, it means good afternoon. Let's pronounce it with me. Masa al-khair, it means good afternoon. Kaifa haluk, how are you? Kaifa haluk, how are you? Let's pronounce it with me. Kaifa haluk, how are you? Ana bikhair shukran, I am fine. Ana bikhair shukran, I am fine. Let's pronounce it with me. Ana bikhair shukran, I am fine. Ana bikhair shukran, I am fine. Ismi Nasir. Ismi Nasir. My name is Nasir. Ismi Nasir. My name is Nasir. Ismi Nasir. Let's pronounce it with me. My name is Nasir. Ismi Nasir. Ata mana lak wan Sayed. Have a nice day. Ata mana lak wan Sayed. Have a nice day. Ata mana lak wan Sayed. Have a nice day. Ata mana lak wan Sayed. Have a nice day. Let's pronounce it with me. Ata mana lak wan Sayed. Have a nice day. Marhaban, it means hi, hello. Sabah al-khair, it means good morning. Masa al-khair, it means good afternoon. How are you? It means kaifa haluk. Ana bikhair shukran, it means I am fine. Ismi Nasir, it means my name is Nasir. Ata mana lak wan Sayed, have a nice day. Let's start with me. Ana min al-Hind, it means I am from India. Ana min al-Hind, it means I am from India. Let's pronounce it with me. Ana min al-Hind, it means I am from India. Wadayan means goodbye. Wadayan means goodbye. Let's pronounce it with me. Wadayan means goodbye. So let's repeat it all again. I am from India. Ana min al-Hind. Wadayan means goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can like, that will inspire me at the future, and you can also provide a comment. You can provide a suggestion so I can understand how I will improve more. And these videos are for the basic understanding of all the international languages. But if you want to know some more deeper of any international languages, you may contact Levitate Yourself at Chapajali More, Barashat. The contact details is given at the screen and in the description. Goodbye.